Most buyers I talk to have already decided the Seacoast is where they want to be. The problem isn't the area, it's figuring out where the money actually works with their desires. Portsmouth right now is pushing $700K for the median. Hampton is tight, Exeter is competitive, but there's one town that keeps coming up when we run the real numbers together, and that town is Dover. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly why and show you a property here that I think is going to make a lot of things click for you. So let me show you exactly why Dover keeps coming up and what makes it different from every other close to Portsmouth town that people throw out. Dover sits about 10 minutes from Portsmouth, but right now it's a completely different conversation when it comes to price and features. Portsmouth is great, don't get me wrong, everybody knows it, but if you want real square footage, a yard, room for the whole family, the numbers there are just a tough pill to swallow for most buyers. Dover gives you a walkable downtown with actual restaurants and a solid craft beer scene, commuter rail access straight to Boston's North Station, and you're still priced meaningfully below your neighbors to the south. That gap is closing though. Buyers who figured this out a few years ago look pretty smart right now. See, Dover stopped being the backup plan a while ago for a lot of relocating buyers, especially families who need actual space. It's actually quietly becoming the answer for them. Now, here's where this really starts to land, especially if you're coming from out of state. Out of state buyers come in with a budget that feels strong back home, and then they start browsing listings on the Seacoast, and the reality hits fast. Portsmouth is beautiful, but that budget that felt comfortable, it's getting you something smaller and older than you expected. Now in Dover, that same number gets you something that actually feels like a real forever home. Real square footage, a yard, updated finishes, the kind of place where you move in and you're done for a while. Not a compromise, not a starter, a real home. The Seacoast is not cheap, but Dover is still the place where your money buys a life, not just an address. So let me show you exactly what I mean, because this house right here on Long Hill Road in Dover is a really good example of everything I just said, and it just hit the market. It's set back off the road on a beautiful lot. Right away, it feels private, and the front porch runs the entire length of the house. So that's your first impression, and it already starts feeling like home. Step inside and it keeps going. Inside, you've got hardwood floors throughout, and they are in beautiful shape. This great room off the kitchen has incredible vaulted ceilings, a wood-burning fireplace, and the eat-in kitchen opens through sliders to a back deck overlooking the yard. The floor plan is flexible, there's room for everyone, and it just doesn't feel chopped up. And the care that's gone into this home shows the moment you start looking closer. The kitchen has been freshly painted and outfitted with new appliances. It's clean, functional, and well-maintained. The roof was replaced in 2010, and the major systems have been kept up over the years. The bathrooms upstairs were updated by the previous owner around 2021, and so the work has already been done, and it really shows. This is a home that's been looked after, and it really lives that way, but here's what really changes the math on this one. The lower level has a full rec room, a full bath. It is a great bonus space. Think guest suite, in-law space, a hangout room that keeps the main floor feeling like yours. And also, there's a finished attic that's already been plumbed for heat if you ever need more room. Over 4,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, and honestly, it lives even bigger than the number suggests. This is why Dover keeps coming up. The location makes sense, the value still makes sense, and homes like this one, well-maintained, flexible, move-in ready, they just don't sit around long. Full details are in the description if you want to learn more about this property, and if you're trying to figure out where you actually fit on the Seacoast, definitely reach out to us today. That's the conversation that we have every single day, and I'm happy to have it with you. And if you're still getting your head around the Seacoast area, what's where, what things cost, where people are actually moving, check this video out. It'll give you a solid foundation before you start making any decisions.